My DIY build of a Victorian-style greenhouse, but not this one. After a heavy winter of snow, my old poly was gone. Time to consider my options. Option 1. Use a polythene roll again to make a simple hoop frame house. Quick and cheap, great for large areas but not very attractive for a small suburban garden. Option 2. Polycarbonate sheets, either 4mm or 6mm thickness, either in a tunnel shape or rectangular with a pitched roof. Nicer to look at, but panels are very light and likely to be blown off in a strong wind. Translucent but not clear. Glass is really the choice material for a greenhouse. Excellent light transmittance, doesn't degrade with age and can be easily cleaned to as new. I looked at many flat pack aluminium frame greenhouses that are available, coming in options in frame shape, colour and a range of sizes. Certainly a serious option to consider for any gardener. But what I really want is a timber framed glasshouse. A timber frame Victorian style glasshouse complete with low brick wall and finials. Next, starting the build.